Hi guys, it's playtime. Today we have Disney Junior's Miles from Tomorrowland Maximo Merc. Look at that eye, so big. It says here it has 8 Merc sounds. And telescopic eyes, look. It's from Tommy. Let's take it out from the package. It comes with instructions. Here's Merc, the ostrich Merc. Let's see if we can turn his head. No, just move from side to side. His neck, you can move it from side to side as well. And let's take a look at his eyes. He got telescopic eyes that bulges. And let's check his wings. It says it lights up. He has a cool looking wings. Whoa, cool. This is where you press it so he can talk. Let's check his legs. You can extend it a little, just a little. Now let's have Miles ride on Merc.
Check me out! On it like a comet. Let's go, Cosmic Explorers!
Spread his legs. And ride on Merc.
Yeah! Super stellar!
You can bend Merc up and down. Time to open our surprises. We got 2 boxes of Kinder Joy. Let's open the first box. Each box has 3 eggs. Of course, I'm gonna eat my chocolate first. Whoa! Yummy! Here's our toy. Flyer. Stickers. Oh wow! It runs so fast. It's very little, but it runs very fast. Our second Kinder Joy. Yum yum. We got another car. Hot Wheels stickers. Flyer. Here's our Hot Wheels blue truck. Looks like a monster truck. Oh, let's make a race. Chocolates. Here's our toy. That's how it goes. This is how it works. This is the picture. And you're gonna use this. You can see a different picture when you use this red slide or red lens. Let's open our second box of Kinder Joy. Chocolates. Transformers. We got another toy. Looks like a rocket. Whoop. Whoop. Our last Kinder Joy surprise is we got another toy. Alright, I already assembled the toy, and here we have 3 mini bowling pins, and we gotta hit it with this. Looks like a mini slingshot. I made it! 1 down. Get to try another one. Yay! 2 down. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, more surprises, more toys, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good one.